handmade anti-coronavirus gift box. This gift box contains all the essentials which we need to stop the spread of coronavirus. I have used cardboard from old used notebooks as base of this box. I have used colors pink, black and white. Pink shows love and kindness and the nourishing nature of the giver, whereas black and white shows confidence and boldness that you are safe if you use products from this box. It's just a perfect gift for your loved ones. My second craft work is Sanilet. So, in our busy lives, we often forget to carry a sanitizer. So, in emergency situations like this bracelet can protect us from germs. We can just break the outer covering of bracelet and use the sanitizer to clean our hands. I have used cap of paint bottles and seashells to make this bracelet. I have painted just one side of this bracelet to show that life is sometimes colorful and sometimes colorless, but there's always a hope. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Abhinav from Silverworks International School, and I'm here to tell what my sketch depicts. My sketch depicts that doctors, police, and municipal workers are trying to protect us from this deadly disease called COVID 19, and we should cooperate with them by staying home and protect ourselves. Protecting ourselves is protecting the outside world. Scientists are experimenting and trying their best to bring vaccines to the world. Regular temperature checks are done as precautionary measure at some public places like hospitals. And at last, I would like to say that all the people who are trying to take this risk for protecting us, thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
In the art and craft event. Today I am going to be explaining the concept and inspiration behind my painting on the general theme The World Beyond the Pandemic. My painting shows an eye representing our perspective towards an uncertain yet bright future. A future carrying the anxiety felt by the world throughout this past year, mixed with a warm, hopeful glow to a fresh start. The mask covering the eyeball is synonymous to the pandemic and its effect on the general public's view towards daily life. A drastic change that no one will ever fully come back from. Our view will continue to be fogged by the scare of COVID 19. But as humans, we overcome this by looking forward into the swirl of light that is the world beyond the pandemic. My inspiration was the fact that although perspective is a subjective matter, the world during these difficult times unanimously has the same outlook on the undetermined time to come.
Hello, my name is Mohanat Priya, studying in Sheshadipuram PU College, Maine. I would like to thank Ignite India for this opportunity. I have done two paintings. One is doodle art of school life, and another one is World Beyond Pandemic. I have drawn a lotus. World Beyond Pandemic, I have drawn a lotus because it is significant in which it is rebirth and unity during this pandemic time. All living creatures have lost their unity in the sense by not participating in any functions and have been locked inside a cage. And rebirth indicates that during the pandemic there is lots of ups and downs in our day-to-day work, household, etc. and in human life. So to overcome all these, we need a rebirth after pandemic. School life during World Beyond Pandemic, each and every students will miss their school life. I personally miss it, so I have done a doodle art. I start explaining my artwork by a social book which indicates the sleepiest hour in our school days and birthday celebrations, and there are many works I have done during school life, so I have presented it as a doodle art. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Gayatri. This is my fluid art. In this, I have used black, green, and red. So, black and green represents monstrous things that has been happening in this world, such as corruption, sexual abuse, and many more, which has been happening during, before, and after pandemic. Here, the color red represents love among humans. Due to pandemic, many families and people have spent time with each other, which made their bond more stronger. Here is my another art called the mandala art. I have made this art using a glass jar. So here the white represents peace. Many people and countries have made their peace. Yellow is the people of hope, and in between the green represents nature. This means that people are planting seeds to hope to get eco-friendly. And here the red represents danger that nature is facing due to people, industries, MNCs, etc. exploiting the nature. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Hansika Sinha and I am studying in Standard 11. My school name is BRDV Public School. Today I have made this doll, which is made up of paper, colorful stones, silver lace, and I have painted it from black and orange acrylic colors. These items are easily available in everyone's house, and so I have made this. I have planned to make it because due to this pandemic and lockdown, I wasn't able to go out for buying one of these, so I decided to make it by my own.
Myself Amrita Binod here to explain my concept of the era of sustainability. Here I have represented the picture of a yin yang, which is nothing but a Chinese religious symbol which explains about the light energy and the dark energy. As we all know, the light energy here represents the we using the natural resources in a sustainable way and also keeping it for the future generations. And the dark energy represents manipulating of our natural resources. Thank you.
Hey guys, so what I've painted here is the structure of COVID. This is a mask representing victory as it is in the form of a flag. These two are lungs, the most affected organ in the human body. And these two are trees as we've gained a new perspective. These four are the hands of the volunteers, doctors and nurses who've contributed. This is a banyan tree representing strength. The green part represents a new beginning and renewal. The 7 roots here represent the 7 continents fighting against COVID together. These brown roots represent the strength and willpower of human beings. And this is a building, and these are carbon particles affecting the atmosphere, and this represents the downfall of the economy. So thank you.
Hello everyone. So this is my painting based on World Beyond Pandemic. The concept behind this is, as we all know, that pandemic was the introspection time for all. There were minimal noise surrounding us. No party, no pubs, nothings. People become habituated to it, and now when they will attend parties after the pandemic, the chaotic surrounding will make one's mind bleed with pain. Not a single noise will be appreciated during that time. So there I have represented the source of harsh music, that is loudspeakers, surrounding a human who is in the middle screaming in pain, as she can't deal with such devilish surroundings anymore. Here the red depicts the intensity of the pain that she is going through, black representing the evil, green representing the lady's personality that has developed during the lockdown, that is to be calm. Thank you everyone.
I'm Sanjana, here to speak about my model, which is based on the topic World Beyond Pandemic.
My inspiration is Phoenix, a mythological bird
a long-lived bird that cyclically regenerates itself from ashes. Similarly, we must also recover ourselves from the situation and start chasing our dreams. The first scenario explains how we allotted some time for ourselves, doing the things we like and eventually rediscovering our hobbies. According to me, we must spend some time for ourselves even after the pandemic. The second scenario depicts the consciousness we all had on our fitness and health during the pandemic. Even in the future, after we are done with the pandemic and are back to our normal life, we must remain health conscious, as staying fit and healthy helps us to develop a strong immune system. The third scenario depicts the technological upgradation the nation has faced during the pandemic. In the future, we must stop depending on physical means and must start our journey of gaining knowledge with the help of gadgets and internet. The final scenario depicts the idea of microgreen gardening. In the future, we must put our efforts on producing basic fruits and vegetables from our garden. It not only helps in reducing our dependency but also ensures the hygiene of the food we eat. Let us start our journey towards a sustainable.
Everyone, I am Kritika and I define that what is coronavirus and its symptoms. Coronavirus is a virus that cannot be seen by our naked eyes and its symptoms are dry cough, fever and difficulty in breathing, etc. Let us talk about Minecraft. In Minecraft, first figure so that Earth is crying. Earth is crying because virus impact includes greener planet. And the second figure is so about mask and sanitizer is very useful for us during corona time. And the next figure so that maintain social distance, and the next figure so that when we enjoy in home during lockdown, the police, sweeper and doctor doing their work, so they are called corona warriors. And the next figure show about online classes. When school is suspended during corona, students study through online classes. And the next figure is so about Arogya Setu app. Arogya Setu app gives information about corona positive person is near or not. And and last, I say that stay home, stay safe. That's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Payal Kumari from the School of Gurukul International Public School, Standard 9th, City, Gaya. First of all, I am talking about the drawing of coronavirus pandemic. First of all, we know that we must important social distance, minimum 2 meter, and wear mask. If we have a mobile, we download the Alok Setu app, mostly important, and wash your hand 10 to 15 times per day, and cover your mouth while sneezing. Um, you do not take a smoking, alcohol, etc. We must follow the advice of doctors, and lastly the thankful of police, Nagar Nigam, etc. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
सो ये मेरा आर्ट वर्क, और इसमें मैंने वर्ल्ड बिहाइंड पेंडेमिक पे आर्ट वर्क बनाया है। तो इसमें मैंने बिफोर, ये इस साइड वाला बिफोर पर दिखाया है और इस साइड वाला आफ्टर पर, और एक्सप्लेनेशन के लिए मैंने ये यहाँ पे एक कार्ड टाइप का बना दिया है, और इस साइड भी सेम है। जब ये वैक्सीन बन गया उसके बाद का ये सीन है, और जब वैक्सीन नहीं बना था उसके पहले का, जिसमें कोरोना बहुत ज़्यादा फैला हुआ था उस समय का सीन है।
The topic of the competition was World Beyond the Pandemic, the Era of Sustainability. This is my artwork on this topic. It is a movie poster based on the future, the name being Surviving 2020, based on a true story Indeed, in this poster I have depicted people who are stuck in the cages. These cages depict nothing but their homes and they're waiting to get freed. And these locks can depict a lockdown. In the bottom left corner, I have shown the medical staff and doctors who are trying very hard to help us get free from this situation.
Guys, I am Shruti Sakpal and I'm in 12th standard right now. As we all know the concept of the drawing this world beyond pandemic, my main theme was the heroes. I have shown them pulling the world away from the corona outburst. Also, we faced many challenges, but our buses did a very great role in this for the emergency workers and the patients too. Everything got connected by internet, phone calls, WhatsApp, and offices, schools, and colleges all were started in a new way. A lot of important things in this lockdown, as in eating healthy food, then meditation, yoga, etc. Also, our positivity, confidence, and our technology has brought the unstable economy back to normalcy. All of this was only possible because we all were fighting together in each and every situation during this lockdown. So this era has been sustained only because of us. The credit goes to all of the people in the world who followed the rules of their respective government and made it till here.
Hello sir and ma'am, I am Aarti Singh, live in Gaya, state Bihar. Today I tell about my drawing. जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं कि कोरोना हमारे देश को पूरी तरह अपनी चपेट में ले चुका है। इसे बचाने के लिए मैंने कुछ एक ड्राइंग बनाया है। जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं कि कोरोना हमारे अर्थ को किस तरह अपनी चपेट में ले रहा है। इसे बचाने की हम पूरी कोशिश में हैं। इसे बचाने के लिए हमारे साथ डॉक्टर, नर्स, पुलिस अधिकारी, सफाई कर्मचारी हमारे साथ हैं और हमारे प्रिय प्रधानमंत्री जी हमारे साथ हैं। उन्होंने ये बताया है कि हमें हमेशा हाथ धोते रहना चाहिए, हैंड सैनिटाइज करना चाहिए, कहीं भी जाएं तो बाहर जाएं तो मास्क लगा कर जाएं और स्टे होम स्टे सेफ। दैट्स ऑल एंड थैंक यू।
The concept of my painting is just a busy day, pre-COVID or post-COVID, and it's just a road with many lights on it which show the car's lights, and there is a person who's holding a wine glass, but the wine glass slipped out of their hand, so it's just in the air. It's about to fall down in the balcony, and the view from the balcony is the street, the very busy street. So that's the concept of my entire picture, and I hope you liked it.
Hi, my name is Harshil. I am studying in 7th grade and I'm studying in Delhi Public School South, and this is a video of me presenting my drawing on the topic beyond the pandemic. So yeah, this is my drawing where the corona is very large and spreading all over the world, and this is the doctor who is fighting against the coronavirus, who's very brave, and the doctors are trying to prevent the coronavirus from spreading all over the world, and the corona is very dangerous, so nobody goes out and stay safe. So the doctors are fighting very hard. That's it. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Vaishnavi and I'm going to tell about my art. I have drawn a delivery boy here. So these three have helped us so much during this COVID situation. Firstly, the delivery boy, because of the pandemic all the markets and malls were closed, so they were of to us, and the doctors are really the only reason why there is a control of corona, at least some control, and the police have also helped very much in controlling the public. So a big salute to our COVID warriors, and I have made 2 flowers made of tissue paper, and I have done some mandala art on the top and bottom corners. Thank you.
So, hi everyone. So, the topic which I have selected is World Beyond the Pandemic. And here, this artwork describes how people are back to life, where there are lots of pros and cons. So, let's discuss. So now, when everyone is back, like people are breathing the fresh air without any barriers, and also along with everything, everyone is lively, and also every pollution and all sorts of hazardous waste and pollution, everything which is hazardous to our Mother Earth is also back along with us. So, and this bottom part describes like how they are superheroes of our world, the doctors and the army, military officers and everyone, how they helped us, like how this pandemic distractions, which way they were fought, like everything were fought by them, and then they sacrificed their lives for the peaceful world. We should never ever forget the superheroes of our Mother Earth who saved us from all these pandemic situations. So thank you. I hope everything is clear.
Hi, my name is Diya Sharkar. I am from Durgapur, West Bengal. I study in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, and these are my paintings. So first I will explain this. It is hearts of deer, and this is on the plywood. As you can see, this is a plywood, and these deers are made up of clay. After doing it with clay, I have painted it black. Then I have used the metallic colors, copper, golden and somewhat green color. And then this is my next one. This is also same, but it is a pot, earthen pot. This is an earthen pot, and then I have painted it black and with the help of metallic colors. This is the design which I have done over here. These are all flowers, and these are the artificial flowers which I have bought from market and just decorated it. And this is my next painting. It is Albert Einstein. Here the main twist, that is, this is actually the tea leaves which I have dipped in water and then I have painted it, and this is a black paint which I have used for the sketch, and the background is of tea leaves water. Thank you.
So much plastic and other packaging is generated and recklessly thrown about. With the advent of the pandemic, however, people stopped ordering food in as much as they used to. In my community, this change facilitated the budding of this app called Foodie Buddy, where one can transact money for food with chefs in their community. My neighbor auntie, as in the picture, is one of these chefs. So she's a wonderful cook and she's famed for her fish curries in my apartment. And she looks absolutely magnificent doing something that she loves doing, while at the same time meaningfully impacting society. Now, how does she do that? Foodie Buddy works is the consumer comes and picks up their food from the chef's house. Now this alienates the need for plastic boxes because they bring their own tiffin boxes. As a cherry on the top, the growth of this home business opens up more opportunity for people like my neighbor auntie to keep doing what they love doing. Now this is very important because in my opinion, sustainability also includes the mental well-being of all parties partaking in sustainable development. The blur at the back of the picture, blurring the car in the picture, is a direct metaphor for how vehicles are being ignored during these pandemic pandemic times in a setting where many jobs can be carried out from the comfort of our homes. Networking media like Zoom and WhatsApp, as in the picture, take over and aid work. However, bar is burning in the background. It's polluting after all. This aspect of the painting, along with the dull out face of the man in the picture, is meant to represent how networking via solely online means can drain a human being. One needs some form of social interaction, especially with their peers, in order to stay mentally fit. And so once the pandemic comes to an end, people can, wherever possible, adapt a mixture of physical and online work in school in order to decrease pollution caused by vehicles while still keeping mentally fit with doses of human interaction.
I've tried to capture loneliness here in this artwork. The floating masses are the neurons, which signify that this is a process ongoing in the head of the person. The roses and chrysanthemums in the background signify death. The doors, when joined, form a brain. Now they're broken, meaning that the person is stuck in that state of mind from where he can't get out. I've found myself in the same situation over and over again throughout this pandemic, and this is an unforeseen consequence, and I just wanted to put it out there as my experience.
The biggest problem Indian youth faced, I felt, was a lack of clarity of vision, a lack of direction. It was then that I decided to write about the circumstances and people who made me what I am today. The idea was not merely to pay tribute to some individuals or highlight certain aspects of my life. What I wanted to say was that no one, however poor, underprivileged or small, need feel disheartened about life. Problems are a part of life. Suffering is the essence of success. As someone said, God has not promised skies always blue, flower-strewn pathways all our life through. God has not promised sun without rain, joy without sorrow, peace without pain. I will not be presumptuous enough to say that my life can be a role model for anybody. But some poor child living in an obscure place, in an underprivileged social setting, may find a little solace in the way my destiny has been shaped. It could perhaps help such children liberate themselves from the bondage of their illusory backwardness and hopelessness. Irrespective of where they are right now, they should be aware that God is with them. And when He is with them, who can be against them? Let the latent fire in the heart of every Indian acquire wings, and the glory of this great country light up the sky.